guys, Jeremy here from School of Wok Covent Garden. It's Wok Wednesday and today it's really all about the wok. Special fried rice. Straight onto your wok clock. 12 o'clock with your egg, followed by some poached and diced chicken breast, some leftover chassil from the local Chinese, chopped up poached prawns, some peas and your excess rice from your fridge. Lastly, some light soy sauce and sesame oil. So fried rice really is the first lesson when it comes to wok cooking. Understanding your heat is highly important. Before I start with my egg at 12 o'clock on my wok clock, I've got to make sure my oil and my wok are smoking hot. I want to get that egg jumping out of the wok. Take about a teaspoon or so of oil. Crack your egg straight in. Break your yolk and then just carefully fold that egg through. If your heat's right, there'll be no sticking at the bottom of the wok. Push that to the back of your wok and scrape any bits aside. Add a little dash of oil and your chicken can come in. Really, you can use whatever you want in a special fried rice. What's special about it is using your leftovers up. Bring your egg over the top. Keep folding that through just to circulate that heat. Next up, my chassil. One of those Moorish ingredients, adding great flavour to your fried rice. Chassil in, your prawns can pretty much go straight in after that. Bring the chicken and everything together. Tummy in the head. Smell the sweetness of that chassil coming out. Circulate that heat. Just to add a little balance to it. Some peas. Constant movement of the wok. Your ingredients. Keep moving that heat around, or the wok's air. Your fried rice. This has been steamed and then cooled in the fridge overnight, so that it's nice and easy to separate when it hits the wok. Push into the grains of rice and break out any clumps. The moisture from the rest of the ingredients should help to separate those grains. Now you can see that most of those grains are nice and separate. Going to add your seasoning. Just a glug of light soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil. Fold that through nicely. So it's been high heat all the way. Once you've got what I call dancing rice, your rice just jumping off the bottom of the wok, then your rice is ready. It's soaked up all that flavour. Now you'll know if you've cooked your fried rice properly if you have not one grain of rice in your wok at the end. Look now, small bites for on-camera tasting. Get the sweetness from the char siu, but really you get this sort of smoky sweetness from the wok hei, understanding that fire. Fantastic. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you learned something about wok hei and you really want to learn more, let us know which dishes you want to learn in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.